Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yeah, I've just been and done the food shop. So you guys seem to really enjoy my what's in the shops video that I posted going into Poundland, Tesco's and Home Bargains. So I thought I'd show you my weekly shop. Obviously we are in a lockdown, we are in national lockdown here in the UK. So I try to make sure that I only go to the supermarket once a week, which is a Sunday, to get all my essential things in. So this is an essentials shop. I have been to Home Bargains as well and just picked up a few little bits in there. So guys, I just thought that I would show you my weekly shop. So this shop is for 2 people. And I try to make sure that there's some like healthy meals in there because I am doing this weight loss program. Well, I say weight loss program, I am doing like a healthy kind of eating. Yeah, that kind of went out the window in the first week because I've had 2 takeaways. So yeah, I mean, it was that time of the month, so fresh start tomorrow, which is Monday morning, fresh start. So let's get into this before some of my stuff like melts. So you know the deal, you know what to do. If you like my channel, you like my content, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. Let's get straight into this. So the first 2 things I picked up in Aldi was the diet cans of lemonade and the diet tropical blast. These are ideal for like when we're going to work, we just put it in with our pack up. So I think these were about $1.29 each. I started picking up a big 6-pint milk because it's semi-skimmed, because it saves nipping back out to the shop. So this lasts me and Tony a week, if not over a week, to be honest. So we use it for cereal, obviously cups of tea and stuff like that. And I've still got half of one in the fridge at the moment, so this will last us a while, so we won't need to keep nipping in and out. Picked up 12 eggs. I eat eggs a lot, either it's scrambled egg, poached egg, omelettes, anything like that. Eggs in the fridge can make a meal, so I picked up some eggs. These are free range eggs. Going on the healthy kick, I've started eating quite a lot of plant-based meals. And I go along the lines of like, if it's orange, it's fine. If it's green, it's fantastic. So I've picked up 2 sweet potato burgers in replace of normal burgers. I picked up a mushroom bolognese. This is absolutely gorgeous. If you are going on a healthy kick, seriously, these plant-based menus from Aldi are amazing. I will put on screen like the prices because at the top of my head, I really don't know what the prices are. Don't mind my hair, I've literally just scraped it up. I look like a mess. It's freezing outside, and seriously, we're meant to be in a lockdown, in a national lockdown, and there's people literally everywhere. There's everyone out. So I literally went out, got what I wanted, and come straight back home, and I will be going in the shower once I've washed all this down. So, like I say, bolognese, mushroom bolognese, absolutely gorgeous. I've tried it before. Coronation chickpea curry. I've not tried this before, but it sounds delicious. So these are really, really tasty. If you haven't tried them before and you're going on like a health kick or a diet, I would definitely recommend these because they're gorgeous. I also picked up some marinated prawns. So these are with chili and coriander marinade. I like these with like either rice, or I'll fry these and healthy fry them, and then I'll have these with like either salad or a little like some veg and sweet potatoes. So these make a delicious meal. Picked up some chicken Kievs because these are Tony's favourite. I have these occasionally, just occasionally, probably with a bit of salad or something, but yeah, these are really nice. These are mine and Tony's absolute favourite. I'm gonna probably butcher up the name, but I'm sure it's pronounced chicken en croûte. And we have these with either like sweet potatoes, vegetables. In the summer I'll have them with salad. So they're really versatile and I absolutely love these. This is so nice. I've not seen these before. So these are like the cured Cured pork loin medallions. So these will go nice with like some veg, potatoes, even some chips, homemade chips or something. So these are look really nice. And like I said, I've not tried them before. But yeah, they're ideal for me and Tony. There's only 2 in there, so it's an ideal meal, especially when I've been working all week, all day or whatever. I really don't want to come home and start prepping food. So these already prepped and stuff are so ideal. I've just picked up some breaded chicken Gujongs. These are really good in wraps and things like that. So we tend to have these with wraps and salad. So yeah. Picked up some barbecue chicken mini fillets. I like these in like wraps, or I'll have them in a baguette or something like that. And then I picked Tony some chicken tikka up. Sometimes we have these in paninis or flatbread or anything like that, or for work, so they come in really handy. Tony likes his beef lasagnas, so I picked him up a beef lasagna. That's 1 bag down, guys. We're 1 bag down. I picked up some Scampi. So these are 16 frozen mini Scampi. So I have these with either like homemade sweet potatoes and a bit of salad. Tony likes these for work. So these are chicken and bacon layered pasta salads. These are just easy, just for work. So if he gets bored of having a sandwich, I think I bought him 2 of these. Picked up some light cheese. So I like to have cheese on toast, as you guys know, it's my favourite. So I'll have like a treat. I'll have a bit of cheese on toast. I like to put cheese virtually on everything, just a little sprinkle of cheese. It's calcium, isn't it? I like these little Asian inspired Singapore curry egg noodles. So I've got a curry one, I've got 2 curry, and I've got 2 sweet chilli ones. These are just ideal just for a quick snack, like at lunchtime at work or something. And they're like a dupe for the naked noodles, but these are like 59p in Aldi at the moment. I bought some ham. I put this in omelette sandwiches. We sometimes have it just rolled up and have a little bit of potatoes and salad with this. So this is ideal. I picked up some tuna. Tony's going to go mad because I pick it up in spring water because I don't like brine. I think it's disgusting. But he will go mad because he likes the brine and I like spring water. So sorry, who does the shopping around here? Me. So you have to put up with it. Picked up some bacon. Sorry, I'm kicking the camera. I picked up some bacon, so I like to wrap this around chicken with a little bit of cheese in the middle. Sometimes have a cheeky bacon sandwich on a Sunday morning, or a fry-up or something like that. Tony and his lad Bradley, he likes to have a fry-up on a Sunday or a Saturday. Another one of the, oh, I keep kicking the camera, I'm so sorry I keep kicking you. I've got another chicken and bacon pasta pot for Tony. Tony likes these yogurts, so I picked these up. They're a little bit of a dupe for the Muller ones, but they taste exactly the same. I bought Tony 2 packs of the double-decker chocolate bars. He likes these for work. Feeling lazy and can't be bothered to do fresh veg, I just do some mixed vegetables, but it's still veg. It's just veg for lazy people. But I'm a lazy person, so it's fine. That's another bag done. I picked up some Snacker Jacks, just in case I want a snack. So I picked up the cool sour cream and chive flavour and the sweet chili flavour. So at least I'm not eating crisps, so these are good for you. They're like 90 calories per pack. Another one of the egg noodle pot. These are Tony's because he likes a cheeky sausage roll on his lunch break. Also Tony's because I thought I'd give him a treat, and these are the mini flapjack bites, which he absolutely adores. He loves these. I think these are 99p in Aldi. So yeah, I picked him up some of these because I'm the world class girlfriend of the year. Picked up some sugar. This is granulated sugar. Yeah, put it in your cornflakes, tea, coffee. I don't because I have the sweeteners. But yeah, I picked some more sugar up. Pick these baby wipes up. These are like 59p in Aldi, or 49p, something like that. And I just picked these up because I like to wipe things off the back of my hand, wipe out fallout and things like that, so these are ideal to have. I picked myself up a seeded loaf because I'm trying to be healthy. Trying to be is the main thing. I've still got pizza in the fridge from last night's pizza, which I'm going to eat because I'm not going to waste pizza. But I'm going on a healthy kick tomorrow, I promise. So yeah, seeded breaded loaf. That looks super yummy. A Warburton's loaf for Tony, plus I like this when it's toasted, so don't judge. But yeah, I bought this mainly because Tony likes sandwiches for work. I bought this because it's got Santa on it. Don't judge. Big box of cornflakes, $1.99 from Home Bargains. So you guys, I want to do a banana loaf. I missed out last time we was in lockdown because everybody and their mother and their dog was buying all the ingredients. So I bought all the ingredients and I want to make a banana loaf. So I picked up some manky looking bananas because she meant to have manky looking bananas in banana bread. I've got some self-raising flour. Yes, I'm not doing it out of a packet. I'm doing it all from scratch. So hopefully it'll turn out okay. So I've got some self-raising flour. This was from Asda, I think, for 49p. I've got the icing sugar, which was £1, I think, from Asda. I have some caster sugar, which was about 49p from Asda. I have some baking powder, which was about £1.69, I want to say. And then in my banana bread, I want to put in some white chocolate chips and some milk chocolate chips. So yeah, I've got to make this today because I can't have a piece tomorrow. I have to have it today. So guess who's making banana bread later? Last bag is obviously Home Bargains. So I picked up a big bag of Aunt Bessie's chips in Home Bargains because I forgot to pick them up when I was in ALDI. So I just picked these up. These were $1.69, I want to say, something like that. I picked me and Tony up another scrunchie for the shower. So Tony's is blue, mine's the white. I wanted a pink, but they didn't have any. These are 39p and I absolutely love them. They're so good when you're showering down, which I will be doing after this After this video, I'm jumping straight in the shower and putting my gym jams on. So yeah, I picked up Tony his favourite flapjacks. So these are the flapjack milk chocolate coated flapjacks. I picked him 6 of these up and they're like 28p and he absolutely loves them. So he'll be happy when he comes home. Picked up some Carex hand wash. This is the kills 99% of bacteria. That's what we want at the moment because we're all washing our hands so much. So this is an antibacterial hand wash. So I picked up my favourite toothpaste as well from them, which is a Colgate Max Fresh. This is with cooling crystals and it's 99p. Picked up my favourite impulse scent, which is Tease, because I'm a big tease. Only joking, and I only tease Tony, so yeah, I'm a good girl really. Also picked up some batteries for my clock and my new lights. So people in the gutter, you at the back, I know you're thinking what you're thinking. No, it's not for that. So yeah, I picked up some AAAs and some AAs because they're always handy to have in the house as well. Last few products, guys. So I picked up my favourite shampoo. This is the Garnier Ultimate Blends shampoo in the Honey Treasure. Oh my god, I'm telling you now, if you haven't tried this one, oh, it just smells absolutely gorgeous. So obviously I got the shampoo and the conditioner. I have saved the best product till last, guys. So if you have stayed this long, you will have seen this absolutely gorgeous product. I'm talking about this product, the Mayu. I have no idea. I butch names up, as you guys know, all the time. But this stuff, $1.99 in Home Bargains. This hair mask is like a tenner in Asda, Tesco's, Boots. £10 for this mask because I've started buying them. Oh my god, $1.99 in Home Bargains. If you do go to Home Bargains and start buying this, please leave me one. because I will be so sad. But I'm telling you this because I'm your best friend and you guys need to know this stuff. So this is the Detoxifying Volcanic Ash Scalp Mask Care. So it's for dull and congested hair. So I like to put this on about an hour before I have a shower, and then just let it do its magic and wash it out once I'm in the shower. So this has no mineral oils, no silicone, no SLS, no sulfates, no synthetic dye, no, yes for vegan, yes pure coconut water, and yes pure aloe juices. So that is my weekly shopping haul done. Well, it is for you guys, but I've got to put all this bloody stuff away now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do enjoy these types of videos, let me know down below and I will continue to do them. So guys, until next time, enjoy your day, whatever you're doing, and stay safe and well, and I will love you and leave you and see you in my next video. Bye guys.